Arab Peace Initiative Red Line, Palestine. Palestinians protest, US-led Bahrain conference. Palestine not for sale, Moroccans. Trump's immoral peace plan would blow up Middle East. Arab world approves of policies of Turkish president. Muslim scholar slams meeting on US peace plan. Sanctions to bring Iran to negotiations, Bolton. US sanctions close doors of diplomacy, Iran. Qatar to invest $3 billion in cash-strapped Pakistan. Kashmiri journalist arrested in 27-year-old case. India scraps anti-tank missile deal with Israel. Muslim man in India lynched by mob.